Today I'm doing a demonstration of the hot rod inspection kit. We want to learn if this pipe contains chromium or molybdenum. So we call it the chromoly test. First step for the chromium test is solution number 2 and solution number 6 and test papers. So take out one paper and you put that onto your test metal, and then one drop of solution number 6. Then we use the electrospot process. This is really just a current supply, and we're passing current through the metal and through the test paper. I only did it for a second or two, but that's all that's really needed. As you can see, there is a yellow spot already, but that's not important. The manual calls for magenta, like a purple reddish color. And that only purple is an indication that chromium has been found. Let's see what happens. Wow. Look at that great color. That really pops. So what we've learned is that the pipe does contain chromium, and you can be 100% sure that chromium is there. Thank you for watching this video.